My friend, walk with me into the woods for a moment and look up at the canopy above. Have you ever noticed how the oldest, tallest trees are often the ones that bow the lowest when the storm winds blow? They do not fight the gale with rigid pride. They bend. Their greatness isn't found in how stiffly they stand, but in how deeply they are rooted and how gracefully they yield to the world around them. We live in a world that tells us to shout our names from the rooftops and prove our worth through constant noise. But true greatness is like the mountain. It never needs to announce its height to the valley below. It simply exists in its majesty. When you are truly at peace with who you are, the desperate need to be noticed falls away like dry autumn leaves. You begin to realize that humility isn't about thinking less of yourself. It's simply thinking of yourself less often. It is a quiet, steady strength that allows others to shine without feeling diminished. The sun doesn't demand a thank you for the morning light. It just gives because that is its nature. Live like that. Let your character be your signature and your kindness be your voice. You are enough in the quiet.